phase diagram, or here we are discussing about the sublimation and desublimation. So a phase diagram is the representation of a state of matter like solid, liquid or gas as a function of temperature and pressure. So here the state of matter affected by the temperature and pressure. So it is the phase diagram in which pressure versus temperature graph is given. Now mind the 3 point here. First one is a triple point. At that point all gas, liquid and solid state are at the same level, same equilibrium. Second is a critical point, boiling curve. Third is a melting curve. So here we are discussing about this. First one is a critical point. So it is the point at which the liquid gas line ends. We can see critical point. So here the liquid and gas line end. Beyond this point, the liquid and gas phase become indistinguishable. They merge into a single phase. So when we are applying too much pressure and temperature at the level of critical point, so at that point or after that point, liquid and gas are combine itself and they merge into the single phase. So they are inseparable at the critical point. Now next is the triple point. So a point which the pressure and temperature of all three phases present at the equilibrium state. At the triple point, chemical potential of all three phases are same. So here this is triple point where the liquid, gas and solid are at equilibrium. Next is critical temperature, TCR. So it is the temperature above which liquid state of a substance no longer exists regardless of pressure. So here the temperature at which the liquid phase does not exist. Next is critical pressure, PCR. So it is the pressure at which required to bring about liquidification at a critical temperature. So here when the temperature is not existed by the liquid, so this pressure will apply to liquidify the liquid. Next is sublimation. So it is defined as the process in which molecules go directly from the solid into the vapor phase. So here solid directly convert into the vapor. They are not going to solid first. For example અહીંયા આપણે લઈએ તો બરફમાંથી સીધું વરાળ બનાવવાની વાત છે. બરફમાંથી પાણી, પાણીમાંથી વરાળ, એવું નહીં. So it is the process in which the solid directly convert into the vapor. It is known as a sublimation process and it is preferred over the crystallization for the purification of material which having the weight less than 100 mg. So there are a less loss of material. So this sublimation is used for the purification. Now desublimation or depositions, which is the reverse process of sublimation. It means vapor, we are converting vapor into the solid. It means વરાળમાંથી direct બરફ બનાવવાની વાત છે. When carbon dioxide gas has been frozen and become a solid, it is gone through the desublimation.